What's up, it's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. It's Vlogmas day 4. I know it's late again, y'all. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna get it out. I promise y'all I'm gonna get the video out. Today I am in my bedroom, but we're gonna go back to the kitchen. Yesterday I made cookies. Today I wanted to try this egg bowl TikTok I had saved for almost a year now. I want to try it. I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day. Have I ate? Yeah, I haven't ate since breakfast, y'all. So yeah, this video I'm not gonna be talking until I taste it because I need to concentrate. I'll put the recipe in my description box like I did the cookie recipe, and that's really it. I don't know what to film, y'all. Like, y'all need to give me some ideas that y'all are interested in, but nobody want to comment. So I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all gonna get what y'all get. Since y'all want to interact with me, that's fine. Maybe I'll come around eventually. Let's get into the video though. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. I'm gonna insert like her eating it. It looks scrumptious. We're gonna see what it's talking about. Let's go.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
I can talk now. Yeah. So the first batch I had to restart. That's really all what happened in the video. Yeah. This is the finished look. Hold on, let me turn the light down so I can see it. Ah, I just spilled it though.
I just spilled it.
Can you give me a paper towel?
You had to pay attention.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
I'm about to taste it.
Is it yummy? Is it yummy, honey?
I'm gonna try it with the egg.
I like eggs. Go over. This has spaghetti in it. Come. Or is it good? Okay. Ooh.
Y'all, this is good. It was quick too.
What?
I recommend you make this.
It's really
if you
good.
like seafood boil and ramen noodles, you'll like this.
It's really good.
Maybe you like boiled eggs. You can really start adding anything that you want to it.
Yeah.
Like sausage,
That's
potatoes, stuff like that.
right. Yeah, potatoes. The honey like better.
I'm gonna get y'all some mukbang footage.
Finish.
Some ASMR footage so y'all can see. We're gonna let TJ taste it.
It's good.
It's good. Okay, it's good.
But it's really spicy.
It's not that spicy.
Oh. Okay, so come on, come on.
Alright, y'all. It's quiet now. I got chopsticks. It's about to get real. I hope y'all can hear it. I don't know how good this camera is because I don't have a mic. Y'all, this joint is so good. Let's get an egg. Oh, y'all, I haven't used chopsticks. I want to use it for sushi. Oh, crap. Here we go, finish this egg. It's so good. The spice is catching up to me, y'all. Oh, crap. Crap. Oh. I'm gonna finish this off camera and make my outro. If y'all try this, comment down below. If y'all want ASMR videos, comment down below. Scrumptious. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy. For real, like, if y'all try any of the stuff I be making, tag me or DM me, send it to me. Make sure you like tell me or in the comments or something so I can know. That's really it. It was a cute little quick video. I hope it was aesthetically pleasing. I'm about to edit right now. It is 11:02 and I got school in the morning, so I'm gonna try to get this out before I go to sleep. Yeah, I've been staying up real late doing these YouTube videos for y'all. Just show me some love. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share to your friends, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, anybody, your bestie, all of them, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Send this video to people. Watch it with them. Feel me? But that's it. I rate that dish a 10 out of 10. That's something that you can make quick and easy, and you're craving something in that area. Yeah, just make sure you're not like me. Don't burn your stuff the first time so you don't have to make it a second time. That's what happened in the video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. That's it for today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at ItzzHarmo2Ys and on TikTok at OK.harmo. That'll be it for today, and I'm out. Bye, guys.